ain't gonna fall. You've been here 4 years, so your show ain't no different than my show. You know how to hold on. You grab your hat.
Look at him.
Hey, can y'all help us get something to eat? We're trying to get up the shoot.
He like your hat, you know.
He like to hold on.
Ah.
Can y'all help us get something to eat, Mom? Rob raising his sister like he's been here 2 months. I don't raise man. I had a roommate that teach me dumb stuff. I'm not going to allow you to do that. I want to keep him the way God gave him to me. A brain, a verb, and some sense. You don't raise him like this big boy. Yeah, you don't teach him stuff. You teach him good things. He's born to protect you. He's born to let you know if the phone ringing, if any harm will come to you, somebody's at your door, some harm finna come to this little boy here, he can let you know ahead of time. That's what he's born to do. That's why I keep him around. The kid, I would love to be in my house and a bird come tell me something happened to my son, and I know ahead of time.